Welcome to the first episode. We're showing you the newly released Aoshima Lamborghini Huracan Performante kit in 1/24 scale. It is a plastic model kit, just like Tamiya. As you can see on the side of the box, you have all the suggested colors options, basically to achieve what the box art is presenting. Back to the box art. The box art is a picture of the actual Huracan Performante in orange paint color, and Aoshima kit is different from Tamiya. They don't come in with plastic seal whole wrap. You only need to lift the cover open. Alrighty, let's see what's inside. Got a lot of parts there, and first of all, you can see the body of the Huracan Performante is nicely molded in white plastic. I like that because it's easy for me to prime and don't need to worry about the predetermined underlying color scheme. And then you have the side skirt, engine cover, some clear parts for tail lights. We're only going to use the skirt parts, side skirt parts from that one. And then you get the specially molded parts for Performante version. As you can see, the front bumper parts nicely down, engine cover, rear upper bumper, and spoiler part, all molded without any blemishes. Here we have another Performante dedicated parts, engine cover parts, rear bumper, engines, engine bay, inner outliner, and of course the Performante wheels. They're 20-inch wheels, Narvi forged in real life, nicely detailed here. Next one, they got some interior parts in black, seats, and also some other parts from regular Huracan kit. And this, you can see some engine covers from regular Huracan, some interior dashboard, steering wheel, and such. More of the regular Huracan parts, brake pads, chassis, undercarriage cover, even the windshield wipers, spoilers, they're all in nice details. Really impressed. And then you get the sticker sets, which give you the iconic Italian tricolor stripes. It even give you the markup stickers for when you spray paint the black outliner for the windshield and some clear window parts, engine cover parts. Nicely done. Here you get a little part for the dual exhaust tip for Performante and some front headlamp support. The rubber wheels part are my favorite because they even have, the size details to tell you what size of tires they are, just like real life. Love them. And almost forgot the Performante engine cover in clear plastic part. You got side markers and also the rear emergency light, which is incorporating to the carbon diffuser down at the bottom. And that's it. Oh, almost forgot about the manual, and then you need some glue to go with it to do the kit, some tweezers, some tapes, the regular tools that you will need to finish them. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys like what I'm doing here. However, my workbench is not as professional as some of the fellow modelers on YouTube. You will see the next couple episodes when I build this model step by step, and also finish it as quickly as possible, but also try to do it in a professional as I can basically do, so you guys can see what's going on with this kit and decide whether you want it or not. Okay? And talk soon, guys. Thank you for watching again. Bye-bye.